We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with TRKA stock continuing to fight and hold itself up here within the 20 to 19 cent area. And here we are with it going towards 19 cents in the end of the day. Now, it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. You could see the big pull down here and what I was talking about in my last video. But super important to keep in mind that the bulls are continuing to put up a fight here above the 19 to 20 cent area. So we're going to break down in today's video what key levels to watch here with the inflow versus outflow in the bull and bear indicators, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA stock under a bull indicator and inflows are above the midpoint, guys. This is crucial and critical to not ignore within the volatility that yesterday a bull indicator popped up and it's still ranging and fighting between that 19 to 20 cent area, and inflows are above even though they're red. But it will be crucial for the bulls to actually get these inflows to pick back up and pull away from the midpoint, turning green, guys. That's going to be crucial here within the volatility and on the 30-minute time frame if this bull indicator is going to have any real strength here between the 19 to 20 cent area. So in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But let's go ahead and zoom in here and look at what happened within the day's volatility and why the stock pulled downwards towards the second half. Now, if we pull up the 5-minute and the 15-minute, we could see here within the volatility what was holding it down within the zigzagging price action and how it's trying to bring itself back up. We're going to look at this together here. But in today's volatility, it was not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 7:41 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 400% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen, within the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, this is what you gain access to upon joining our indicators, our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, and we look forward to having you join us. So here we are with TRKA stock under a bear indicator here at around 1982 area, and then the outflows were dominating there in the charts, and on the 5-minute, it got a bear indicator right around that area, and things try to pull back up, and a bull indicator popped up right around that same area of 1982 where the bear indicator popped up on the 15-minute, broke right through it, momentum back up towards 2050, but then a bear indicator popped up here at around 20 cents, rejected when it tried coming back up to that area, pulled right back down and broke through the bear indicator, and no bull indicator popped up here on the 15-minute. Even though those inflows crossed over on the 15-minute and 5-minute, it was not enough within the momentum to hold itself up. Now, when we go ahead and look at this, the 5-minute had a lot more volatility within the day, but the 15-minute had a lot more weight over the chart. Now, we're going to go ahead and look here at the 15-minute and the 30-minute and larger time frames on what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing is the 15-minute, the outflows are below the midpoint. That definitely needs to cross back up and start reflecting that strength into the charts to possibly cancel out this bear indicator with a bull indicator in the process and rolling over that strength into the 30-minute chart. As we see here, it is currently with the inflows above, but they are red even though this bull indicator popped up. So that's going to be crucial and critical for this bull indicator to continue to hold strong, reflect that strength into the charts, retest the resistance levels, and have these inflows dominating over the chart and changing from red to green, pulling upwards. And on the 1 hour, we are currently sitting here with the inflow versus outflow, having the outflows dominating. So it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up. If not, all the volatility that we're seeing in the 15-minute and 30-minute can easily get canceled by the domination of this bear indicator up here at the 20-50 cent area, and then the outflows dominating. So that is something to not ignore and overlook here, that the 1 hour in the bigger picture has a lot more weight over the chart. Within the current tight consolidation here between the 19 and 20 cent area, so that definitely needs to get canceled with a possible bull indicator for any further strength to reflect into the charts, and that these inflows start to pick up here in the larger time frame. Now, what's the key levels I would watch? Well, the first one is on support of 18 cents, guys. If these outflows continue and cross to the downside, that could quickly start to reflect the weakness into the chart and possibly cancel out this bull indicator with a bear indicator, and the 18 cent mark will be critical. And then below that level comes the 15 cent mark. If these outflows continue, right, that is something to not ignore and miss here within the volatility and current stance within the charts. If that 15 cent mark gets broken through, then comes the 12 cent area. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial, as I stated earlier in the video, for these inflows to continue above the midpoint. I'm going to be watching that very carefully here, as there's a bull indicator here at around the 19.80 cent mark. That is a crucial level for the bulls to break back above and push up away from it, with these inflows switching from red to green. And the first resistance is the 20 cent area between 20 to 21. And then above that comes the 23 cent area, the recent highs that we saw last Thursday when it went from around 19 to 23 cents. And then above the 23 cent area comes the 15 cent area. But it's going to be crucial, if there's any strength to reflect into the charts, for the 1 hour to start pushing upwards here with these inflows towards the midpoint. That is something to not ignore and miss here for the strength to be justified, and the 15-minute to continue with strength, getting back over the midpoint and going from red to green and canceling out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. These are key levels to not miss and overlook. I'm going to be watching these levels to the upside and to the downside, as well as these bull and bear indicators and the inflow versus outflow, as we're below on the 15-minute, and on the 30-minute we are above, and it is currently red. So to justify any of the strength of this bull indicator, this would definitely need to switch from red to green and pull upwards to start reflecting that strength into the charts and retesting key resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.